Hi, this is the fourth experiment of WebTech, in which we have to use the advanced CSS commands and the HTML commands. I've created a website, and the website description is almost similar to the given description in the question. See, as I hover, the color changes, and for this section, as I the image uh, is dimmed, but as I hover the pointer, the image becomes clear. And for the last section, my favorite foods, as I hover to any of the section, the color gets changed, and when I hover the mouse only towards the return section, the image is visible. But if I point towards the image, but the this written part is displayed. Now moving on to coding, this is the basic codes. The I've used one background image, this bk.jpg, for the entire web page. As we can see this image, and moving on, I have created I've used table commands to create this section: home, profile, menu item 3, menu item 4, and contact us. As we can see here, but for the next question, for the next part, I've used I've used style command to style this effect, where the this part is merely dim, and it goes to bright. It is done by using RGBA code. RGB stands for basic red, green, and blue, and stands for alpha. Alpha is varies from 0.0 to 1.0. It sets um, the visibility, as we can see here. But moving on to next question, the next next part. The all the other parts are done using the same thing, and for this family member for the family members section. Sorry. Huh. For the family member section, the background image is set, and the description of the image is given. We can see here the background image of myself, and the border radius is given as 50%. Height width is set, and the border is given as 5 pixels solid black, and the name is displayed, written here, and the name is displayed in this section, and the dummy text. And for the next mother and father, it goes the same way. And for the last part, my favorite, I have created my favorite foods. And we can see the foods part is done using the table commands. The description is given here, and for the effect which we have given, it is written in css 4.css file, and as given in the question, I have made a different file for it. And this the description of the list, see for the normal for the first section, where there is a ul on other list, I can see nothing happens in the web page. Hmm. But as I hover to the section, it got the color changes. That thing is happening using this hover command. And the div1 is the tag used in the code. This property is only for that div1 tag. And for the table properties, the the css properties are given here. For the table row and table details, the properties are written here. And for this for this section table row, nth child is given for the nth until the nth child odd, the color will be sky blue. But for that same row, and if it is even, the color will be pink. We can see here the odd are blue and the even are pink, and whenever we hover, the color changes, and the description is given here. And this is the last of it. And thank you.